guard and kick. Again, stand position and move your body for stand position. Okay. This is the fight art. Very very important for every person. Okay, I will show again. At first we have to stand in this position. Attack, 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 and again defend, front kick, behind your kick, and stand position and face guard. This guard is very very important. Kick, stand position, and move your body. This block is very very important for every martial art person. This block is protected your face and your body. This block. This is very important for martial arts. Okay? Again, we have to stand in position, attack and block. Block for enemy, front kick, behind you kick, stand position and block your face and your whole body. Kick, stand position and move your body. Okay? Again, final practice. We have practice for finally for this art. Okay, let's see again to the left. Stand positions, attack, block, front kick side again, and attack your body and face. Kick again, face stand position and move your body for stand position. Hope that everybody are enjoy for my art, and I will show again finally stand positions, attack, block, and front kick, behind you kick, stand position, and block. Block your face and guard. Kick, stand position, and stand position. Move your body for another place. Okay? Thanks for everybody for watching my channels. I will come again with a new videos in another days. So far today, I will come again with a new videos, and everybody should learn how to defend and how to practice yourself at home. This art is very very important for martial arts. Okay, children, see you again. So far today, I will come back in another days for a new videos, and don't forget subscribe to my channels, please. Everybody share and comment for my videos. Okay, children, stay healthy and stay well. Everybody, bye bye.